Good morning, everyone. Venderman here with FuturestraderElite with your pre-market prep on 3/11. I'm going to jump over into the 4-hour time frame. We are going to start breaking down some levels here on the 4-hour. As you can see, the overall market's still looking pretty bearish. Overhead trend line up top here. We can move that one a little bit. Got a wick sticking up past it right up here, and then we got this lower trend line here, 4-hour trend line that needs to be moved a little bit. And as I go down to the smaller time frames, I will adjust that and make sure it's on the body or the wick, whichever needs to be. Okay, so interesting pattern we have here to pay attention to is this level in this 4-hour box right here. It's 890 to 900. Look at all these 4-hour wicks that have come in here. We come down and tested it last night, got rejection out of there, went way up. Now we're sucking back down to that area. Below that, we have a 4-hour box from 831 to 841. We got some bullish and balance zones down here, 705, 707 to 829. And then you got a 4-hour zone down there close to 600, 607, 617. S1 pivot 634. Golden pivot is at 25,019. And then up top right now, we got a box here 114 to 124, 181 to 171 to 181, and then 207 to 217. I'd keep an eye on all of those levels for sure. We're gonna have us a level somewhere in here from about 52 to 42. And so really what we're going to be looking at, they had that gap down the other night when it opened up right here. We taken all that back as a really bullish run. Now we need to see if they can hold this price up here between that one zone. This is critical. If they break below, say 980 or 890, if they break below 890 very well, they'll probably be going down here and might start filling some of this imbalance. So this is going to be a key level to watch today, 890 to 900, and see if they can hold this level. If they can hold this level, we could be looking at a push higher. So now let's hop over to the 1-hour. Have a look at this on the 1-hour. You can see, look at our trend lines all jacked up now that we change the time frame. Make sure them are sitting on them candles properly. That way you can see if it's confluence with any of your zones. Like if price comes to the trend line, you can see on the 1-hour we got all this imbalance down here that needs to be filled. Right now you would have to say that if they could get through that 890 to 900 zone, the S1 pivot is here at the 821 area, just under this 4-hour zone above it, and it's inside this imbalance zone. And then you can see that was filling structure back here when we got up to here, and then we put in this imbalance. So they could break that level down, and I think that they would try to save it within this imbalance zone, hopefully, and not give back the rest of this structure. Maybe come down. I mean, they could maybe get down here to the S2. You look at this structure build over here on the 1-hour with all these wicks. They're all in line with about the S2 pivot. So 634, if they do try to drag it down, that'd be a key pivot to be watching, is the S2 pivot. Let's hop this over to the 15-minute. All right, looking about the same. All these other little boxes are on the lower time frame. They're in balance areas off the 1 and the 5-minute chart. that I've been watching price at in pre-market this morning. I think that's all I'm going to have for pre-market this morning. If you guys enjoy these levels and being ahead of the market and having a game plan together, we stream at 8:30 every day into the market open and break down levels in real time. Just set the notifications on YouTube, and you'll be notified as soon as the stream goes live. And then I post I try to remember to post a link in the Go Live channel in Discord. All right, guys, that's all I got. Let's have a great trading day, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the stream at 8:30.